Let others also join. Please wait for another 1 minute. Start. See, 4, 3, 0, 3 plus 0, 3, 7. This will be 9. 11, 1, carry 1. 13, 1, 14, carry 1. 9, 7, 61, 17, carry 1. 8, 9, 17, 1, 18, carry 1. 9, 8, 17, 1, 18, carry 1. 8, 9, 17, 1, 18, carry 1. 8, 7, 15, 1, 16, carry 1. 7, 6, 13, 1, 14, carry 1. 6, 5, 11, 1, 12, 2, carry 1. 5, 4, 9, 1, 10, 0, carry 1. 4, 3, 7, 1, 8. And last 3 plus 0 will be 3. So this will be the value. And those of you got the answer, you can put this one, tick mark. Yes, answer is correct. 3802468888741973 will be the value. Correct. Got it? No? Any doubt from any of the question, any one of the question you can ask, because now we'll move to next trick after this question.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Simrat, what about the others? Steve, Anudeep, Akil, Ashish, Drishi, Hemant, Mohammed, Nishant, Pratibha, Pratusha, no doubt. Steve, Tenzila, Vedika, Xavian, no doubt.
No doubts.
Okay, thank you.
No doubt, sir.
But, right. See, we'll see next one now after this trick. Because sufficient question is very much important to solve. Because once you understand, no, these 12 questions we have seen, we have standard to solve 12 questions, but try to solve this. This question on classwork sheet I will share with on this Google Classroom. This I will upload. Same question you can try to home also, especially those students who found difficulty while solving here in class. Very important. Right. Next trick, see, for this trick we can write here multiplication of any number. This was trick number, this is the fifth. You can see we can write multiplication of any number with 11. So this will be multiplication of any number with 11. This is the multiplication of any number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit, 5-digit, any number with 11. We can say this trick was about. Next one. Suppose, let us start with the question itself. Suppose we have first one. We have to multiply 96 into 97 in 3 seconds. So what will be the value? Time starts now. 1, 2, 3. Time over. So this will be 90, 20, 90, 42. Sorry, 90, 42 will be the value. No, one second. Let me solve one first. This will be 9, 9312. 9312 will be the value. Let me solve for you. See how we got the answer. First of all, now we can write 96 and 97 one by one, like simple multiplication, and we will see near value is near to 96, which is the value near to 96 is basically we have 100. So this will be minus 4. Why minus 4? Because it is less than 100 by 4. 4 value it is less than 100 by 4 also. Minus 4. This will be minus 3. That is one thing. 96 is less by 4 value. If you take 100 as a this standard value, reference value, minus 4, minus 3. 100 we have to take as a reference value, and from that value we can measure. This is minus 4, this is minus 3 because it is less than minus 4, minus 3. And we'll do now cross. Cross means not multiplication, simple subtraction. 96 minus 3, 96 minus 3, 93. and 97 minus 4 will also 93, so 93 will be same for both the values. 96 minus 3, 93, 97 minus 4, 93, and we will multiply this one, right? 4 3 ja 12, 9312 will be the final answer actually, because 96 minus 3, 93, 97 minus 4, 93, both will should have the same value only, that means you are doing correctly, and 4 3 ja 12.
So we have to find the difference from the nearest tenth place.
Nearest value which have zeros at the end, nearest will be 100, and how many, what is the difference? Minus 4 minus 3. So now we'll do cross. Cross means not multiplication, simple subtraction. 96 minus 3, 93, 97 minus 4, 93, that means both should have the same answer, 93, and 4 3 are 12. 9312 will be the answer. Suppose we have next one, second one. First note it down, this one.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Note
So
it down,
just a
then we'll
minute.
see next one. No problem.
Yes, sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Yes. So will it be applicable for 99 into 107?
That also we'll see, because just we have started, no? Hardly we have
Yeah.
taken one. All the cases we'll see.
Okay.
So 96 into 97, right, 9312 was the value, because say 96 is 4 less than 100 and this is 3 less than 96. Here also we can write, and we'll do cross. Cross means 96 3, 93, and 97 minus 4, 93, same it should come, and 4 3 are 12. Similarly, we can try next question. Suppose we have 98 into 99, what will be the value? This will be the value. Please try from your end, you are getting or not. 9702 should come the answer, and try from your end, same method. 9702, right, because here also, here only we can write minus 2 and minus 1, minus 2 and minus, because it is less by 100 by minus 2 minus 1. We'll do cross, means 98 minus 1, 97, 99 minus 2, 97, same, it should come same only for both the cases. And 2 1 ja 2 into 1 we have to multiply, 2 1 ja 2, but single digit now we will not write, we'll write 2 digit as 02, because product will be a 4-digit number. Product will be a 4-digit number because we are multiplying two 2-digit numbers, right? 9702 is the right answer. Everyone got the answer? Let me solve once again. 98, then 98, 9. So if we have to multiply, we have to take as 100 as a reference value. So it is less by minus 2, less by 1 to minus 1. Less means minus. We'll do cross. Cross means subtraction, not multiplication. 98 minus 1, 97, and 99 minus 2, 97. Same value we should get for both the values, for both the subtraction. And 2 1 ja 2, but we'll do minus 2, 02 basically, because it will be 4-digit number. Always now this should be 2-digit number. Always this last value will be 2-digit number. In place of 2, we write 02. In place of 3, we write 03. In place of 9, we write 09. In place of 8, we write 08 if 8 is coming. Anyone having any doubt? Abhinav, Anudeep, Akhil, Ashish, Drishi, Hemant.
No, sir, no doubt.
We'll see
No.
some cases now.
So what if we get different values, sir?
We'll see those questions we'll see. Suppose, because all the cases we'll see, because we have just started. Suppose let me, based on the first one, this was the second question. Now I'll take next one. Suppose we have value, third one, 102 into 103. 12 questions we have. In 12 questions, all the cases will be covered for this trick. Now we have 102 into 103. How we can solve? Same method. Let me solve one for you. So this is 100
Sir,
more than
1051.
right. 105. We'll see. 100.
12. Sorry, 10506.
06. We'll see now. So from 190 is 2 more. It is 3 more. We'll do cross. So 102 plus is there, na? Plus. So 102 plus 3, 105. Right. And here we'll do 2 3 are 6, 206. Correct. 10506 will be the right answer, because we do cross addition. So 102 into 103 will be 10506. If you want to write in detail, so here we can write 102, 103. This is 2 more than 100. This is 3 more. We'll do cross addition. So 102 plus 3, 105. 100, 3 plus 2, 105. It should be same. And now we have to multiply this one. 3 to the not 606. Always last value will be 2-digit number. 10 plus 6 we write 06. Everyone got the answer?
Yes, sir. We got it.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 100 is our reference value, and from that we can see how much it is less or more. Suppose we have next question. One is 97 and one is 105. What will be the value? One is less than 100, one is more than 100.
And one is more than 100. Yeah, 210.
Try. I will give you 2 minutes, then we'll see how we can solve this question. Rishi person have tried.
Sir,
Okay, it's no problem. This trying is not. This not trying is very good thing to do. All of you are getting different values. No problem. See, we'll now let me solve, because see,
I got 935.
935, 900,
35.
35, okay,
35.
35, no problem. See, let me solve for you. First, now we'll put star mark, because in this case, small change will be there. In this case, because one is less than 100, one is more than 100, small change in our normal method. See, let me solve. So here we write 97 as it is, 105 as it is, and how much it is less than 100? Minus 3. Less means minus 3. How much it is more than
plus 5. Plus 5.
plus 5? Correct.
5.
Correct. So how much it is less than 100? 3. Then minus 3. Less to minus 3, more to plus 5. Now one line we'll put, and we'll do cross value.
102.
97 plus 5, 102, and
102.
105,
15.
105 and 3 minus 3, 102. This will be same
1.
for both the cases. That means correct. Now see carefully, we can notice here one thing. Here it was minus 4 and minus 3. That was plus 12, because we can write 12 means plus 12. Here also minus 2 and minus 1. That means plus 02, or simply we can write 02. Here also minus 2 and minus 1. That means plus 02. Nothing there means plus sign we can write. But in this case, here also plus sign was there. Plus 2, plus 3 means plus 06 we can write, or directly 06. Here if you notice now, here we'll get not plus 15, here we'll get minus 15. What value? Minus 15. What value? Minus 15. And minus 15 we are getting negative values. So what is the method? We'll add 100 here and we'll subtract 1 here. This is the star step. We are getting minus value, minus 15, 2-digit number. 2-digit number we are getting minus 15. So we'll add 100 here and minus 1 here, because 2-digit bigger than this 15, having zeros value, 1's place 0, 10's place 0 will be 100, because this is a 2-digit number. So this will be 85 and this will be 101. So 101, 85 will be the answer. 101, 85 will be the answer. Let me check on calculator and we'll see once again how we have solved. So this was 97 and into 105. So we can match the answer. 10185. I hope you are able to see the calculator value. 10185 is the value. Now 10185. Now we'll see how we have done once again. Always 97 105 as it is we write. Less than 100 by minus 3 means minus 3, more than 100 by 5 plus 5. Cross will do 97 plus 5 102, same value, and 105 minus 3 102. This should be same for both the cross values. Now 5 3 not minus 1. This is one is minus, one is plus. So this will be not 15, minus 15. Very sign is very important. Minus 15. So we are getting minus 15. So higher than this 2-digit number, having this the ones place and tens place 0, that is 100. 100 we will add here, and then we will subtract 1 here. 100 will add, then subtract 1. So 100 minus 15 will be 85, and 102 minus 1 will be 101. So 101, 85 will be the final answer. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Anyone can ask?
Not
No, sir.
So for getting minus
Sir,
15,
every time do we take 1 and 100, sir, when we are doing multiplication and we get
we are,
plus into minus?
you are getting minus 15, no? So we'll do 101 minus 1. I will see, because many questions are still pending. So we'll see when we can add 200, when we can add 300. Let me give you next question, because it depends on value, because this is 2-digit number. So we'll add 100. Suppose we have here in negative sign, we'll get 3-digit number. So we'll add 1000. Or no, 200 we can say. Sorry, if we have this now, any value more than 100, so we can add 200 here and minus 2 here. If we have value between 200 and 300, so we add 300 next higher value, and we add minus 3. 100 minus 1, 200 minus 2, 300 minus 3, 400 minus 4. We'll see in questions, because now solving questions only things get clear. So let me write next question. All the concepts, all the cases will be covered in these 12 questions. Next question, so no need to worry. So next is 103 into this is 98. So please try same method, this question also. Fifth one. Right, Pratyusha answer is correct. Ashish also correct. Steve also correct answer. And Pratibha also correct. Rashul also correct. Yes, you are getting this method also. Tanzila also correct answer. Please, Xavier and others can try. Ashish also. Tanvi, Abhinav, Vedika, Sarah. Others please try. Right, Zevan, your answer is also correct.
It's 1274.
1274.
Yeah.
Okay, 1274. Let me write here 1274. You are saying. Tanvi answer is correct. Right, let me solve now. So this
Sorry,
will
sir,
be,
I had mistake answer. I did a 102. Nearly. So it will be 10,094.
right. So this will be 194. So how we
Yeah.
can solve? Right, okay, your answer is also correct. So 103 and 98. So this will be multiplied. How much more than 100? 3. How much less than 100? 2. We'll do cross. Minus 2 basically, correct. We'll do cross, so this will be 101. 98 plus 3 is also 101. Means same value we are getting, means that we are doing method is correct. 3 to minus 6, not 6, minus 6. 3 to minus 6, plus minus minus. Minus 6 we are getting. So we can add 100 here and then minus 1. Add 100 here and then minus 1. So this will be basically 94 and this will be 100. So 194 will be the value, right? So 194 is the right answer, because minus 6 there. So up to single digit to double digit we'll take 100 plus then minus 1 here in 101. So 100 94 10,094 is the right value, right answer basically. So if this number is more than 100, no, then we can take 200. That case will also come, but it's now This is minus 6, means less than 100. So we can take 100 and minus 1 here. This is our basic understanding. For negative values, 100, single digit, double digit, any value less than 100, we can take 100 here and then minus 1 from 101 to get the values. Suppose we have,
So then
yes,
if but we can take 200.
see for 200, let me give one example. From the example only you can understand. Suppose value is 84 into 102. No, sorry, 100. Let me take 110, 115. Let me write big values. We can take 115. Let me write. So this is the value, and we have to multiply by this method. So in this now you will come to know, and in this question we'll see कि 100 we have to add or 200. Please try everyone. Note the above solution. Try this one. Okay, Vedika, I got answer from you. Rashul, Tanzila having same answer. Okay. Praharshan, please try once again. Pratibha also same answer. Some of you are having different answers. Okay, Pratibha. Okay. Try means once again you can verify. All of you can verify once again whether it is right or wrong, because some of you are having same answer, but most of you are having different answers. That means we can check once again. Okay, Steve, Akhil. So last one's place value will be 0, no? One's place value will be 0. So Akhil, please try once again, because one's place will be 0 because 5 4s are 20. You can see from the question itself, unit place value will be 0. Unit place value will be 0, right? Unit place value will be 0. Okay, Pratibha, means Pratibha, Steve, most of you are having same answer. That means answer is correct for you all. See, let me solve 84 115. So we have to multiply. How much it is less than 100? Minus 16.
Minus 6.
How much it is more than 100? Plus 15. Do cross addition. So 84 plus 15 will be 99.
99.
And this also 115 minus 16 is 99, we know. So both values are correct. Both values are coming same. That means method is correct, process is correct. Now 16 15 we have to multiply. So 16 15 is how much value? How much value? 240. Because 15 square is 225, 15 square is 225 plus 15 one more time 15. So 225 plus 15 240. 15 square 225 plus 15 240, or we can apply this method, state cross state. We have seen this trick. 6 5 are 30, 0, carry 3, cross 5 1 are 5, and 6 1 are 6. So 6 5 11, 3 14 4, carry 1 1 1 2. 240 is the value. So we know this trick also. Now 240. So which value will now add? 240 minus 240 is basically more than 100, 200, more than 200 also. 300 will add and minus 3.
Yes.
So this will be basically 60 and this will be 96. 9660 will be there. 300 then minus 3. That was the one doubt, no? 300 then minus 3, 200 then minus 2, 100 then minus 1. We have to see from the 100 we will start. So any value less than 100 will be this 100 will add. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 4, minus 80, minus 89, minus 90, then 100 will add. If it is more than 100 and less than 200, then plus 200 will add. And it is more than 200 and less than 300, then 300 will add. So this value will be 100, basically 300 minus 240 will be 60 and 99 minus 3 will be 96. So 9660 will be the final answer. Please note the solution. If anybody has doubt, they can ask.
No doubt, sir.
Doubt, okay. Understood. So we have to see this much, this value we have to see 240, then 300 will add and minus 3 in remaining value.
Okay.
Suppose easy question next. 104 into 96. Please try this one. After noting the solution of the previous question. Pratyusha, please try once again. Pratibha answer is correct. Rishi answer is also correct. Right. Rashul also correct. Roshan also correct. This most of you are getting right answer. Vedika, please try once again. Proper steps now you can see from the above example. Same question, same type of question. Tanzila also right answer. See, 104 and 96. So what will the value? This will be, we can say 104 is more than 100 by 4.
9,986.
86. Okay. 9986.
So 9,984.
9984, sir.
Most of you are having this
84.
answer only. That means 984 will be the final answer. Right. So 984, Akhil, Xavier, Steve, everyone is having right answer. Who have shared with me, except Pratyusha. So Pratyusha can, once again you can try, and also Vedika also. Right, Vedika. So miss, you got the right answer. So this will be minus 4 cross. So 96 plus 4 will be 100 and 104 minus 4 is also 100. That means method is correct. 4 4 ja not 16, minus 16 because minus sign is there. So minus 16 basically less than 100. We'll add 100 here and minus 1. So this will be 84 and this will be 99. So 9984 is the right answer. So others can note, and those who have solved correctly, they can put tick mark beside your answer. Next we'll see one more question. Quickly we'll see 5 question remaining question. We'll complete our this now quota of 12 questions for this trick. This one is big one. So all of you can try. I got answer for Ashul, means it was quick. Others can also try. Samrat also correct answer. Yes, answer is same. That means answer is correct. Tanzila also right answer. Vedika also correct. So this now. Darshan, please try once again. And also Ashish. Ashish, please try once again. Pratibha also try please once again, because all values will not be 1. Steve answer is right. Xavier also right answer. So let me solve also. So this will 91 and 121. Basically, this is less than less than by 100 by 9. This is plus 21. So we'll do cross. So 91 plus 21 or 121 minus 9. This will be 112. 112. 91 plus 21 will be 112. And this will be minus 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 189 basically. 189, 9 1 ja 9 and 9 2 ja 18. So 189 is there, so we know this 189 will be less than more than this basically more than 100 value. So we'll take 200 here. 100 will not serve the purpose. Then minus 2. So this will be 11. 112 minus 2, 110. So answer will be 110 11 will be the answer. 91 into 121 will be 110 11. Yes, 11,011 is the answer. Right, Pratibha. Others answer is also correct, except few ones. So those who have right, most of you are having right answer. So if you are getting right answer, then you can tick mark in your classwork sheet notebook. Others can note the solution. Noted.
Yeah, sir, complete.
So in next session, because four questions are still remaining, so 4 questions will be difficult to this and solve quickly. So we'll see in next session. Next session will be on not Wednesday, Thursday basically, because on Wednesday we have session of maths only, maths for
Yeah.
so Wednesday will be clash basically. So
But
Thursday
on Thursday also we have science.
science. No problem. So Thursday time will be changed. Timing will be changed. So science session is from 6 to 7, I think, because 6 to 7 or 7 to 8. 7 to 8. Okay. So if it is from 7 to 8, then our session will be from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. 5:30 to
Sir, I
6:30
would
p.m.
suggest to do it on Sunday, sir, because
Sunday.
Sunday is a free day.
This timing is
You can get the test later also.
this timing is
Later.
session for you all, means other session. In this time means everybody has other sessions. Means different.
Which day on Thursday?
Actually, I was saying Sunday because three classes will be continuous. So that's why I
Actually,
was saying.
Sundays actually normally we don't have session on Sunday because everybody.
Yes, sir, better, sir.
Yeah, we
Because
don't have
Sunday is a
that's
weekend. A Sunday is
yeah.
rest day, and also normally this now most of
Okay,
the students
Thursday is
they
also
take
fine.
rest on Sunday. So Sunday 5:30 to 6:30, and your science will be from 7 to 8. So this is for BM Vedic Maths 5:30 to 6:30. So these remaining 4 questions will solve, and also other tricks will see on Thursday
Sir?
session. Yes.
Sir, can you, what you just told now the timings, can you also put it on WhatsApp?
Sure, definitely. Same thing. After the session only I can put now, because after the session I will update. Same timing, same Thursday. Timing will be 99% same before the science session. If science session is from 7 to 8, then this will be the timing 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. Fine. No? And WhatsApp group also
Okay,
I will
sir.
update you. Fine. So those who have noted now they can this time log out from the session. If anyone is having
Okay.
doubt, any new joinees, new students, or anyone who has doubt, they can leave. They can they can stay back. I am here for next 5 minutes. They can ask the questions, separate questions. Others can leave. If you have any doubt, they
Thank
can.
you, sir. Bye, sir.
On Wednesday
Thank
there
you.
is science, and on Thursday it's maths.
Sorry.
Thank you, sir. So on Wednesday it is science, and on
See, science we have from 7 to 8. No? So this is from
yes.
5:30 to 6:30 before science session. Half an hour gap is there.
Okay, sir.
Right? So that will not be clash. Sarah, you have any doubt? You can ask. Prarshan, Steve, Vedika, anyone, having any doubt?
No doubt, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you show the first one, like the plus one and the,
Plus
and the
one
both
case.
are plus?
Both are positive. One more
Yes.
case, right? Because we have seen
Yes.
less example for that, right? Good question. So say, suppose we have value. One second. Because trick is not over yet. We will see some 4 questions are still remaining. But say, suppose we have 104 and next value is 106. Suppose you have to multiply. So what we can do? How much it is more than 100? 100 is the reference value near to this 104. This will be plus 4 and plus 6. We'll do cross addition. 104 plus 6, 110, and 106 plus 4, 110. So both will have 110 value only. That means our method is correct. And 4 6 are multiply, 4 6 are 24. 110, 24 will be the answer. This is added and this is multiplied. 4 6 are 24. 104 plus 6, 110, 106 plus 4, 110. That means both will have same value only. Correct. And 6 4 are 24. Please try this one, 102 and 103. Please try this one and let me know the answer, and then we can wind up the session. 102, 103.
1056.
10506, no? Always
Yeah.
double digit will come. 24 is double digit, we will write as it is. So here this was plus 2 plus 3 cross. So 102 plus 3, 105. 103 plus 2, 105. Correct. 3 2 ja, not 6, 06 always, because always this value will be 2-digit number. I have written previously also 2-digit number. So in place of 6 we write 06, in place of 9 we write 09, in place of 2, 02. Correct. 10506 is the product value.
That's it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Prashant.